Well, we're back at the neck with another game of Juggernaut, and this is a different attempt at representing the Juggernaut dying. I have a pole with a bunch of balloons on top of it, so we're going to give that a try, see if it works better.
He's only got like 2,000-3,000 BBs.
The original plan for this game was all pistols, shotguns against the Juggernaut. But we had a bunch of people show up this week that didn't have that, so we just had them semi-only. I think it'll work a little better if we run just pistol shotguns. Since we did have people without pistols on the other team, I did bring, I think, 4 or 5 guys with me just to try and help even out the game. Uh-oh! This was my first game with this minigun, and you have to get used to it because you can't really trace BBs. But I gotta say, it was really fun shooting with it. We have a big flagpole at the center of our city, so my objective is to get to that. If I got 1 balloon when I get there, Juggernaut team wins. I think at this point I'm down to 1 balloon left. He's laying right behind that log.
Alright, it's probably good.
Devo sat at the perfect spot. He got all these guys coming after me on camera.
Oh.
That's it! I think the game worked really well because I almost made it to the final station. So just a little tweaking, but if you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe.